Okay, so we have step one of the 8x4 raised bed up in the garden right now. So here it is in all its glory. You can see the cardboard boxes because I'm going to wet the ground and then lay these cardboard boxes on top of this ground covery. It's not grass, but okay, you guys, so I'm starting to fill this raised bed. I have another one that I have to set up. I just haven't gotten into it yet because I want to put most of my vegetables in this raised bed. It's already so big. So what I've done with the bottom is I actually got some free wood chips from this chip drop thing from a client of mine. And so I filled the whole entire bottom, not only with the cardboard, but then I put down the chip drops. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually taking some sticks, filling the bottom up with sticks, and I'm going to also put some leaf mold that's underneath of a big pine tree over there. And so that is going to be going in. We also have a mixture of mushroom compost and coconut husk. Then I picked up 2 bags of topsoil because I'm going to be making my own raised bed mix. It's better to do it this way than going and buying like a bag of this actually for raised beds. I just found that mixing your own things together will come up with a better soil. We want a really healthy raised bed soil. Then we have 2 bags of compost and manure, raised bed soil, 2 bags of mushroom compost, and 1 bag of regular cow manure. So I will show you guys the after product. So I ended up filling the entire raised bed evenly with all of the mixes that I just showed you, except on the very top layer, I sprinkled in half a bag of the cow manure, basically used it as a fertilizer and mixed it in with my hands. Then I went ahead with the Dr. Earth's all purpose organic fertilizer and sprinkled that on the very top, which you can see here. And I'm going to water that and let it sit and then go ahead and start planting. So I do want to go over the emitter tubing one more time. So this drip irrigation system runs from an automated timer that is attached to the hose bib on the side of the wall. It runs underneath of the raised bed and goes upwards, and then the 1/2 inch poly tubing goes all the way down with a stopper. Then I pierced several lines of the 6-inch emitter tubing on each side of the 1/2 inch tubing, and it flows all the way down the raised bed, and then it connects to the very end of the 1/2 inch tubing as well. This is so there is constant flow and the same amount of pressure throughout the whole entire system. So it's completely attached and basically flowing inwards and outwards from the 1/2 inch main line. I do want you to keep in mind how much emissions is coming out from the emitter tubing, because this will determine how much water is going into your raised bed. So these emitters are spaced 6 inches apart. You can also do 12 inches apart, but I just want you to keep in mind when you're designing yours. The hurricane is passing through, but here's a little clip of a patch of our yard that we did not mow down. Look at all of these little beautiful yellow fall wildflowers. They're just so gorgeous. And our whole entire yard is going to look like this, filled with these beautiful yellow flowers. All right, I did come out here because I wanted to show you guys what I ended up planting in here. I still have a couple more things that I need to add, but here we will do a raised bed tour. Okay, look at all those pansies that are going to be going in soon. I did a little like hanging basket, I guess you could say. I love coming out here when it's raining. I think that the plants just look amazing when it's raining. So that's why we're out here right now. So we have the chives fully installed, okay? We got some basil that I've been growing since the beginning of the season. Some French marigolds, they're beautiful. The sage is looking amazing. Thyme and oregano. Some more marigolds over there and some rosemary. But now let's get into the nitty-gritty of what is in the raised bed. So we have a whole entire row. So I'm trying to abide by the rules of companion planting. It's hard though when you're doing an entire raised bed full of brassicas, right? And so I'll link a little bit of information on companion planting. I'm not going to completely get into it in this video. I can in a video in the future. But So we have broccoli on each side. I do have the chives all around the raised bed to protect any of the brassicas. I have some lettuce and some parsley over here, some cabbage. In the middle here, I want to say this is cauliflower. Some more chives, of course. I still have some other things that I need to plant in here, but these are Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, broccoli all around here, some turnips and rutabaga. Rose that I got from Trader Joe's in the beginning of the season. We have a dahlia that should be coming back here soon. And we shall see what's going to happen with the beautiful garden. I'll keep you guys updated. I think it looks amazing right now. I love, like I said, oh, let's zoom in. Like I said, I love it when it rains, but here we have the completed look with the drip irrigation. And yeah, I'm excited to see where this takes us this year. Here's the summer garden. I know it's growing wild. I've gotten so many cucumbers. We have some weird asparagus beans. This is the shortest one I've seen so far, but other than that, the other ones are like huge. Bed full of radishes, random carrots, some more turnips, and rutabaga that I'm going to be probably moving around and transplanting. We got some squash, beans, black-eyed peas, lima beans, cucumbers. I've gotten so many. We have an Armenian white cucumber down here somewhere that I'm excited for. We have a few frogs living in here, so that's pretty fun. A lot of different tomatoes that are finally coming in on this plant. I'm so excited. Let me zoom. Oh my god, these are German pinks. These are like thebomb.com. We have some San Marzanos in the back there, and then a golden jubilee. Miss Girl. All right, guys, and that is the end of the video. Don't forget to check out allthingsgirly.org for more gardening tips and tricks. And I will see you guys in the very next video and along with this ultimate fall garden journey. All right, you guys, bye and happy gardening. Along with this ultimate